Blindy. 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 Monty. 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 Skinny. Monty. Monty. You want Galu? Come here, skinny Galu. You want? Where's Blindy? Come here, Blindy. Blindy, come here. Huh?
Just put it down.
Put what? If I put it down, she won't get it. The other dogs will eat it.
Yeah, I know.
So I have to give each one separately because otherwise one dog, you know.
Yeah, they don't do that.
What is that?
They don't do that. Even if you give it to other dogs, the other one will still steal it from you.
No, it won't. Actually, every time I feed them for the last 4 months, I put it on YouTube. There are about 300 videos. You can check that. And this Blindy is a sterilized dog. It doesn't get anything to eat because all the others snatch its own puppies snatch its food.
This one?
This one, the one who's blind in one eye.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have to feed it completely separately. And this is not the only thing. There is one Rusty there who's like that. So it's very difficult to feed 2 or 3 dogs because they don't get anything because the others snatch away their food. The strong ones, the bullies, So it's not as easy as you think. I've been feeding them for the last 4 months, and each time I feed them, put it on YouTube, on the Monto Dog channel. Yeah. So it's very difficult to feed them. It's not so simple. But whereas the broth, the broth that I give them, the chicken broth, that I keep on the ground because each one can eat it separately. Yeah. one doesn't get anything. This one doesn't get anything. And see, these two are so skinny. You saw that one? So skinny. I'm waiting for that blindy. She's gone there.
Alright then.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. What is your channel name?
It's Monto. If you it's Monto Monto dog Dog. That's my dog's name. Monto Dog. If you want, I can even send you the link. If you have your email ID, then I can send you the link.
Yeah, sure. Definitely. Oh, I'll just find.
Yeah,
It's Monto dog, right?
yes, Monto Dog.
Definitely find.
Okay. There are about 300 videos. It's all about them.
Alright then.
Okay, bye. See ya. Blindy, come. Monty. What do you want? Want some chicken? Got some broth and some cooked chicken?